In this lesson, you will learn how to form plurals in English. Plurals are used when we talk about more than one person, place, or thing. In most cases, forming plurals is kind of simple, but there are a few rules and exceptions to know about. When a countable noun refers to two or more things, use the plural form of the noun. And remember, the majority of plurals are formed by simply adding an S to the end of the noun. For example, jumper, one jumper. Jumpers, two jumpers. Pen, one pen. Pens, three pens. Duck, one duck. Ducks, three ducks. Brick, one brick. Bricks, four bricks. Mobile phone, one phone. Mobile phones, two phones. Dog, one dog. Dogs, two dogs. Bracelet, one bracelet. Bracelets, two bracelets. And also keep in mind that this rule applies for words that end with the letter O, such as pianos. Piano, one piano. Pianos, two or more pianos. Photo, one photo. Photos, two photos. However, with some nouns, it's a little bit different. Are you ready for the most common exceptions? The following rule applies to nouns that end in the following letter or letters. Add es to nouns that end in o, s, x, double z, ch, or sh. For example, potato becomes potatoes. Kiss becomes kisses. Box, boxes. Dish, dishes. Buzz, buzzes. Watch, watches. Add zes to nouns ending in z, such as quiz becomes quizzes. We change the ending to ves for most nouns ending in f or fe. For example, wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Scarf, scarves. Loaf, loafs. Leaf, leaves. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. And for most nouns ending in is, we change the is to es, such as crisis, crises. Analysis, analyses. Axis, axes. Parenthesis, parentheses. And when a plural ends in a consonant plus y, we change the y to eis to make it plural. For example, baby, babies. Party, parties. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Puppy, puppies. Story, stories. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to leave a comment if you enjoyed this lesson and subscribe for more lessons like these. Until next time, toodle pip.